This is all-new Fire Truck 2.8P. The Fire Truck 2.8P, a pickup version of Fire Truck that's designed to transport materials and tools to job sites. It's practically the same Fire Truck but with a bed, allowing payload transport through harsh conditions with the occupants separated from the cargo. The vehicle has a payload capacity of 2,200 pounds, 1,000 kilograms. With its ambitious capabilities, it can have eastward in hard-to-reach job sites. It's available in two versions, open cab and closed canopy, but what makes the 2.8P special is the variety of options available, such as the high-speed capstan, vegetation control, spraying unit, water tank, firefighting foam kit.
I hope you could find something interesting when watching a video. Thanks again for watching.